friends! I was just reading a different book about bears, and I learned that bears hibernate in the wintertime. That means that they go to sleep in the wintertime, and they sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep until it gets warm again outside. It's called hibernating. It's a really big sleep. And so I thought maybe we could read this story. It's called Bear Snores On. And it's about a bear who hibernates in the winter. He sleeps and sleeps and sleeps. Let's read it together. This book is written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Ooh, it's winter time. I can see all the snow. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat-tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Look, he made a little fire to stay warm. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Look, they're having a nice little party over here, a hare and a mouse. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down, and dig in." So Badger brought some snacks to share. They're really having a good time in this cave. And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all getting toasty warm around that fire. Look at that. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. He does not look happy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. But Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear was feeling left out. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Now they're tired and he's awake. I like this story. It reminds me about bears hibernating in the winter. They take a really, really big sleep all through the cold, cold winter, and then they wake up when it gets warm again outside. Pretty cool. I would love to read more stories with you. If you want to hit the button below to subscribe, we can keep reading together. And if you would like to do preschool on a screen just like this, I love teaching virtual preschool, and there's a link below for that too. All right, friends, I had so much fun with you, and I hope I see you again soon so we can read together again. Bye-bye.